Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Limits can look scary, but we can solve this one fast. We will use direct substitution and L'Hopital's rule to find the correct answer quickly. First, we plug in pi over 4 to check the limit. Since cosine and sine are equal there, the top and bottom both become 0, giving us an indeterminate form here. Next, we apply L'Hopital's rule by taking the derivative of the top and bottom. The numerator becomes negative sine minus cosine, while the denominator requires using the product rule very carefully. Finally, substitute pi over 4 into the expression. The values simplify to negative 2, meaning option A is the final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given values, and check steps.